What is going on, everybody, man? It's your boy, Kaotic Kiccs, aka Mr. I Rock Them Sneakers, and I'm back with another video, man. Salute to everybody that pulled up on the raffle yesterday, man. We had a great time. It took us a little while to fill it up, but hey, man, at the end of the day, we got it done, man. And I definitely appreciate all the love and support that everybody showed at the raffle, man. I will be doing another one come next Friday, so if you want to pull up, man, go ahead and tap that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and also leave a like on this video, man. I want to give a shout out to Grooves for being the winner of the Air Jordan 1 Mochas, man. Congratulations, bro. I shipped off your package today, and it is on its way to you, man. You dig? Once you get it, go ahead and send me a picture, and I will share it on my storyline on IG, man. But look, let's go ahead and get into the reason why you're here for this video, man. As you know from the thumbnail, I will be talking about the Air Jordan 1 Japan Tokyo Midnight Navies, man. I finally got that sneaker, man. Salute to Mars Blackman and also What the Sneakers, man. They assist me on getting this pair, man, and I really appreciate it, man. That's what the sneaker community is all about, man. Real guys doing real things to help each other grab their pairs whenever you miss out or whatnot. You feel me? So salutes to those guys, man. I really appreciate this, homies. You know what I'm saying? It's a Louisiana thing. You feel me? But listen, as you can see, it does come in the same box like the metallic silvers came in. You know what I'm saying? Jordan Brand has been doing a lot of different things with these boxes, man, and I love it, bro. You know what I'm saying? They got the red with the fearless packs and all that there, and we got the standard black and red box, man. But the more they do these right here, bro, we love the different types of boxing when they come with it. And the label reads Air Jordan 1 High OG C.O.J.P. Colorway is white metallic silver. This is a size 10 personal pair, and they did retail for $170, man. Give you guys a better look at that label. Let's go ahead and open up the lid. You see, you do get the quality control stamp up there on the top of the lid. You got your paper with Jumpman with saying 2001 to 2020 on the paper. I don't see a green sticker off inside of the box, man. Bro did put the receipt in the box, man. These came straight from City Gear. You dig what I'm saying? That's dope looking out, man. But let's go ahead and get into the sneaker. And bam! There you have it, man. The Air Jordan 1 Midnight Navy, man. Japan Tokyo. Listen, bro. Ever since I seen this sneaker, your boy had this on his radar, and I'm glad to actually have it in the collection, man. I do have the metallic silvers as well, man. Shout out to Optimistic, bro. He looked out for me and assisted me with this pair, man. Bro ended up hitting on the sneakers out. They came in, he told me he had my size, bro, and he cut me a dope deal for me to get this sneaker, man. So shout out to bro for that, man. But as you can see, they do both have the metallic silver swoosh on the side, as well as the biohacks, because it's part of that pack as well, man. You know what I'm saying? They all three in common have that metallic silver swoosh, you know what I'm saying? But as far as the colorway, they all have their own unique type colorway, you know what I'm saying? But to get into the review of this one does have some dope ass leather with it, man. That Tumble leather is nice, man. You know what I'm saying? Especially on the side panel, if y'all can see, it is very, very tumbled, man. Up there around the ankle collar as well, you know what I'm saying? And also that tongue, we got Nike Air on the tongue, and the tongue is tumble like hell, man. You can see that it's all tumble, you know what I'm saying? You can see it. We got the 2001 to 2020 behind the tongue. Reason being, they did drop in 2001. See, he's got like the suitcase with this, just like how they got with the metallic silver ones. You know what I'm saying? They don't give us that type of exclusive stuff around here, which I don't know why. They should go ahead and they could have gave us an opportunity to get the suitcase that came with this too, man. You know what I'm saying? Jordan Brand, y'all need to think about that, bro. You feel me? But to get into it, you got a white midsole, metallic swoosh. You got that navy that runs around the overlay of the sneaker. It's also back there on the butt end. You got that bubble wings logo right here, man. And you got a navy blue outsole, man. And off in the insole, pull the shoe tree out. You see that it does say 10 and a half on the shoe tree. And in the insole, you got a navy blue insole with that JPCO or COJP off in the inside, man. You dig? Not too much more to say about this sneaker, bro. As far as me liking it, I love the way they put it together. I like that look. It's just something about blue that your boy like. As you can see, no matter what color blue it is, it could be Tar Heel or it could be that Midnight Navy. You feel what I'm saying? I just like blue. And with that being said, man, y'all let me know down in the comment section if y'all hit on this sneaker, if you went for it, your thoughts and opinions, man. You know what I'm saying? I love to get in that comment section and chop it up with y'all about these sneakers. So that being said, man, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. If not, bro, maybe I'll get one on the next one from you. But until next time, bro, it's your boy Kaotic Kiccs, aka Mr. I rock my sneakers, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace.